Let me show you the levels in which the currencies are expected to swing during this particular week. Euro could come down to 1.0550 area and then gain to 1.09. Last week I shown on Friday the levels, how exactly the players have just made the moves in line with the expectations of the range. They are all mathematically derived levels because the players have got certain limitations. Beyond that, they will not be able to do anything. So based on that mathematical information, I am trying to give the levels, and which will be invariably following the focus, so that you will be able to really understand the levels, the timing, and also the forecast we can make use and try to earn. So for that, I'm not expecting any reward from you, and I want only you to earn money from that other market in a safe way and try to build your equity. And once you have built up enough equity or recovered the lost money, you bid the market, because the market is known to trap the traders again and again, and you might become a successful trader, and then suddenly you will find that after earning so much of money, you lose it again. So it is a vicious cycle. So avoid being here, but try to earn back the lost money following this, and then try to just watch the market for fun and be an opportunity trader. Wait for the market to make very quick moves and try to do some trades and earn. And that way, you will not become addicted to trading. Now, in the case of GBP, they just made a phenomenal drop as an extended downward stop, and to recover all the last levels within the day or the day after, and then they will continue to gain the levels in a very big way. Normally, during that of the trend reversal time, they make such extended stop, and either in the case of GBP or in the case of USD. So this time on the downward stop, and when all other currencies are showing a nominal net change from the Friday close, GBP has made a big downward stop, and they said that it is because of the British exit, etc. By end of the week, we are going to review on Friday how exactly they just simply used the British exit from the European Union and currency understanding, and then later on how they made a big rise in the case of GBP, simply discounting all the information what they have been highlighting on Monday. Then in the case of yen, it could come down to 113.50 area and then start gaining it to 117 area. In the case of USDCHF, they could come down to parity or slightly go below that during this week, and then you could come across the highest 1.02 area. Then in the case of Canadian dollar, they are expected to come down to 1.3050 or slightly lower, and probably they could breach 1.300 during the intraday also if needed, and then go to 1.33 area. The case of Australian dollar, they just slowly and consistently gained the levels to 75 area, and they are expected to come down a little bit to 74, 75, and then start gaining to 77 area. So in all, you will come across the USD weakening move in the case of Euro, GBP, as well as Australian dollar, and USD weakening and the gaining move in the case of the denominator currencies like the USD and USDCHF and Canadian dollar. They are expected to make such USD weakening move, USD gaining move, and the contrarian move. So understand when they are doing the contrarian move and trade in the case of process accordingly. Now if you see that Euro, USDN and the GBP, they are showing negative net change as a contrarian move on the downside, because Euro and GBP are showing the USD gaining move by making a negative net change from that of Friday close. But USDN is showing negative net change from that of Friday close, indicating the USD weakening move. So when USD gaining move and USD weakening moves are shown by different currencies during the same time frame. It is referred as the mixed move or the contrarian move. Then you find in the case of USD-CAD and Australian dollar, they are showing the USD gaining move. So you find the mixed move and the USD gaining move alternatively. And today they are expected to make the weak beginning false move. Then understand that